Good morning, Fisherman Barry here. I'm up at New Melones. It's Tuesday, and I'm heading up Angels Creek. I've only fished that all the way up that branch once, and that was like last summer or summer before, and did pretty good. It's still late May, hot. We reached near 100 yesterday, and it's supposed to be even hotter today, 103 I think. So I got here early as usual, and once it gets really hot, I'll probably head back. So far I've picked up 5, but a lot of dinks, 3 dinks and a couple of decent ones. I got a new battery for my other camera, and unfortunately I just noticed, because I just stopped for a second, stretched my legs, and I noticed that the camera had shut down. So it shouldn't. I mean, it was a 6-hour battery and it's only been on for an hour or two. But sometimes when the temperature rises, the camera senses it's overheating. It will shut down. So we'll see. I'll cool it off a little later and then see if I can get it to come back on. But in the meantime, I've switched to my hat camera, and we'll see how that does. Wow, that's really fast. Yeah.